Hi there, welcome to the Life Discuss Green. Today in this grammar lesson, in chapter 35, we are going to learn order of adjectives. What is the order of adjectives? When we use more than one adjective before a noun, they usually follow a specific order in English. This order helps make sentences clear, natural, and easy to understand. Native speakers follow this order automatically even though they might not know the rules. Standard order of adjectives. Here is the most common and accepted order when using multiple adjectives. Number 1, opinion, quality. 2, size, age, shape, color, region, material, purpose or type, noun. Here we have table using this order. First, opinion. Example adjectives: beautiful, lovely, horrible. Description: what we think about it. Subjective. Size: big, small, tall, short. How large or small something is. Age: old, young, new, ancient. How old something is. Shape. Examples: round, square, triangular. Description: the shape of the object. Color. Examples: red, blue, black, white, for example. And here we have description: the color of the item. Region: French, Pakistani, American. Description: where it comes from. Material: wooden, plastic, cotton, silk. What it's made of. Purpose: type. Writing, for example, writing table, wedding, wedding ring. What it is used for. Noun: car, dress, box, bottle. The object being described. Showing adjectives in the correct order. Each includes multiple adjective types. Example sentences: I bought a beautiful, small, old, round, red Indian wooden jewelry box. Now all these adjectives are used in orders, in sequence. Beautiful, small, old, round, red Indian wooden jewelry box. She wore, example 2, she wore a lovely long new blue French silk evening dress. He gave me a strange little old black Chinese teapot that is a huge ancient square stone water tank. They live in a pretty small modern white Spanish house. He drives a fast new silver German sports car. I need a small green plastic water bottle for my bag. They own a beautiful young golden Indian cat. I have a comfortable thick cotton winter blanket. Here is a simple trick to remember the order. Use this mnemonic: asas comp. Asas comp includes opinion, size, age, shape, color, region, material, purpose. For example, a nice. Nice is opinion, big is size, old is age, round is shape, blue color, Mexican region, wooden is material, serving is purpose, bowl is noun. Now let me read this example for you. A nice, big, old, round, blue, Mexican, wooden serving bowl. Using just two adjectives, you should still follow the order, even if it's short. A lovely small kitten. This is opinion plus size. And old, red. Two adjectives, you should still follow the order, even if it's short. A lovely small kitten, an old red book, age plus color, a long metal pipe, size plus material. Here we have more real life communication examples. In an online store, this is a stylish, large, modern, black Italian leather handbag. On social media, just adopted a cute, tiny 3-month-old fluffy white Persian kitten. In classroom or presentations, we studied a famous tall ancient Greek marble sculpture. During travel, we stayed in a beautiful, spacious old wooden mountain cabin. In advertisements, get a powerful, small, new Japanese electric blender. Here you have this exercise for you to reorder them in the natural English language. These examples here, reorder the adjectives correctly here. If you can't, so here you have the answers. A lovely big round cake. For this round lovely cake, big. A comfortable very woolen, a comfortable grey woolen sweater. A small green plastic bottle. An elegant long white French wedding dress. An old blue cotton shirt.